Good afternoon. How are you today?
And fine.
Thank you for turning on your video. As you know, today we are going to continue our study after test, which is Unit 4. Okay, check out your class book on Unit 4. What on the screen, can you guess what kind of job does man do? Look like he can make something. Guess what kind of job does he do? Anyone? Okay. This man is supposed to look like a scientist, which is invent something new for our everyday life. Okay. So the word that I want you to learn is inventor. What is an inventor? An inventor is someone who creates something that wasn't here before. Can you guess what kind of things that scientists invented before? Like, you know, even in, oops, sorry. In my time, when I was your age, guess what I don't have? What do you have now that I didn't have when I was your age? Can you guess? Yeah. Okay, that's a cell phone. Have you ever seen this cell phone before? Have you ever seen this cell phone before? Probably not. This one is like very old cell phone and very big, very heavy and very expensive. I think for their functions. I mean, they could not do anything except for just pressing the call and that's it. I don't think they have any applications in there. I'm not sure if they can send, yeah, they can send the messages. However, it's very hard to press each words, right? For example, if you want to press C, have you ever used this kind of thing? If you want to type the letter C, you have to press number 2 3 times to get letter C. Yep. See, it's really hard. It's so the worst thing ever to try to text someone. However, you were born in a very good era, which is you came with a smartphone. Smartphone, you all know, right? This is iPad, iPhone and stuff. You know who invented iPhone? Who invented the iPhone? Yeah, who is it? Do you know his name? Very famous. Even though he's already passed away, he's no longer alive, but his name lives on. Who is he? Who invented the iPhone? Recognize him? Who is he? Anyone? Do you know?
No.
No.
He is Steve Jobs. He is Steve Jobs, or he was Steve Jobs. I don't know. He passed away, unfortunately, very sadly. He had cancer.
What?
Yeah, and he had cancer and he passed away. I don't know how many years ago, but he is a genius. Because of him, I think we are here today because of him. Otherwise, we would not be able to connect that and learn online safely because of, you know, the COVID. So he done a very great deal to our, you know, human, you know, a modern society. Okay, everyone take out your class book and turn to page 31. Page 31. Look at the picture. Where are they? Where are the kids? In the science lab. Almost right. They're in the museum, right? I'm not sure. They're probably in the school because unit 4 just say at the museum, but sorry. But it didn't really tell you much except for this one. Young Inventors Club. So it's for students who like to invent new stuff. Here, let's take a look on the, you know, rate box and the table. These are the vocabularies that we will be learning today.
ในสภาพแวดล้อมที่ไม่ดีอย่างเงี้ยแล้วก็อยากจะช่วยเหลือเขาในสิ่งที่
แล้วเสียงเราไม่ได้เข้าไปในที่ประชุม
แล้วก็อยากเซฟแบบว่า
ฟังอย่างเดียว
โพสต์อย่างนี้อาจจะถูกนะก็จะเป็นบทเรียน
Let me see who's a hazard. Okay. All right. Okay, so these are all the vocabularies. It's called craft items that you're gonna learn for this unit. What is it called? So everyone turn on page 31 and listen and repeat. Look at the picture. Look at the picture and then look at the number. Okay, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are all the items that you will learn and about what do you call them as well. Okay. Now listen and repeat.
Listening 53. Look, listen, and repeat. 1. Drawing pins. 2.
Good.
Stapler.
Stapler. Okay.
3. Spring.
Good.
4.
Okay.
Glue.
Good.
5. Card.
Good.
6. Paper clips. 7. Tape. 8. Straws. 9. Paint.
Good.
10. Paintbrush.
Good.
11. Wire.
Fire. Okay. Look at the picture. What is it? What do you call it? Yes, drawing pin, right? Next one, what is it? Stapler. Good.
Pepper.
This one.
String.
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 This one.
Paper clips.
This one.
Tape.
This one.
Saw.
Pause. Good job.
Pen. Brush.
Brush is okay. What about this one?
Wire.
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 Wire from metal. It made from metal to a little string. All right. Now, exercise 2. Look and write true or false. Do it now, please. Maybe around in case your friends want it. Are you sure? Give it to coach something. Or give it to those soldiers and stuff. Let me know when you finish, okay?
I finished.
Okay, what about the others? Okay, number 1, there is some card in the box. True or false?
True.
True. Number 2, there are 4 scratches on the floor. True or false?
False.
Scratches on the floor. How many?
3.
3, yes. Number 3, there are some drawing pins on the table.
True.
Number 4, there isn't any paint in the box.
True.
Number 5, a boy has got stapler and some string. True.
True.
There are some paper clips and the straws in the box.
True.
False. Number 7, there isn't any glue on the glue on the table. Can you find true because glue is in the box. Glue is in the box. Number 8, a girl has got some tape and some wire.
False.
False. She got some tape and some drawing pins, right? So, can you guess about this unit? Oops, sorry. Forgot. Share the picture. Okay. Can you guess about the unit? We are doing some vocabularies in here. Okay, look. Some, any, some, any, some. Okay, along with the verb to be, right, which is, are, isn't, has got, are, isn't, has got. Okay, can you guess what we're gonna learn about today? We'll learn about nouns, okay? Anyone know what is nouns? The nouns is things that you call, right? You use name, also things that you call people. So in English, we have separated into 2 categories right now. They are plural nouns and the singular nouns. Plural, you use it to call more than one, right? Singular is only one. It could be, you know, a person, place, or a thing. Here is singular nouns and plural nouns. That's how we know that if dog is, you know, wait, you just added an S behind the nouns, and then you know that, sorry, where's the highlight? And then you know that it's a plural, right? From dog to dogs, plus you added ed, es, so it's pluses. Baby, change the Y to I and then added es. Trees, hairs, necklaces, buttons, boxes. You know all the rules, right? How to add an S to a singular nouns. And then here we go. We're talking about countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns, it's the thing, it's a nouns that we can count, right? 1 banana, 2 bananas, 3 bananas. And they're always coming with uncountable nouns, right? For this example, they gave it one. It's only have one form only, rice, right? We don't say rices because we don't count. What? I cannot hear you. We don't say rices. We just say rice, right? So can you give me another example of uncountable nouns? Do you know?
Water.
Water. What else?
Soup.
Yes.
Red.
Bread. Good.
Hair.
Hair. Good job. What else?
Milk.
Milk.
Tea.
Coffee. Right? Mostly it's involved with the liquids and other stuff. Okay. Mostly just involved with all of this. And also rice, pasta, noodles, we don't really count them, right? Too much. Like, what do you have for lunch today? Oh, I have 3,164 like that, all right? So here you see this one. That's English. So don't make a mistake. So the reason why you need to learn about the countable noun is because the countable nouns could be singular or plural. You see this one. I wonder if I could just make it bigger. Look at this one. There is a book, right? One book, we use it, right? However, those houses, more than one, using are. That wasn't all about the countable nouns. And once you know about the uncountable noun, you instantly know that uncountable noun is always take singular verb. You're using it, right? You don't use there are some water in the picture. You have to say there is some water. There is bread in the cupboard. There is some rice in the bin or whatever that it was. Uncountable. Again, you know how to use a or an, right? An apple, right? And in English, if you don't want to count some apples, you can also say 3 apples. But if you don't care, you just want to tell your friends that you have apples, which is more than one, you just say some apples. You don't have to count, okay? All right, for this unit, I'd like you to take out your, what do you call it? Just a piece of paper or in your notebook, and then copying it down your book. So I think it might come handy when we take the test on unit 4 test, or even when we do the exercise. So please write it down. Please let me know when you You can write whatever. But make sure that you understand what you wrote. Okay, we're running out of time here. I'm gonna leave it here. I will post it on Google Classroom if you haven't finished this, so you can, check in and finish it. It's for your own good, okay? If you don't write it, it's up to you. When you do the unit test, you can use this, as the resource. All right. If you don't have any questions, I will end it here and I will see you again. I will see you again tomorrow okay and then we will
อันเดรียได้ติดต่อไปหาเพื่อนร่วมงานที่องค์การระหว่างประเทศเพื่อการอนุรักษ์ธรรมชาติ
tomorrow
WCA
บายบายบายบายบายบาย